హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే, దిస్ ఈజ్ రాము. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై న్యూ వీడియో. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇండియాలో మనం చాలా హోమ్ టూర్లు చూసాం కదా. దుబాయ్లో హోమ్ టూర్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, దుబాయ్లో ఇల్లు ఎలా ఉంటుంది అది మాత్రం ఈరోజు చూద్దాం. ఓకే, మరియం ఖాన్ ఉన్నారు కదా, సో తను పాకిస్తాన్ అనమాట, ఇక్కడే సెటిల్ అయ్యారు. సో తన ఇల్లు మనం ఈరోజు హోమ్ టూర్గా చూడబోతున్నాము. ఓకే, వితౌట్ టైం వేస్టింగ్ లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు వీడియో. సో తన ఇంటి దగ్గరికి అయితే వచ్చేసాము. రాగానే మనకి చూడండి హలో, ఓ బాగుంది. సో ఇప్పుడైతే మనం బెల్ కొట్టేసాం బెల్. ఐ థింక్ హలో మ్యామ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Please come. Thank you.
So, ma'am, today I want to shoot your house. I want to make an home tour.
Thank you. Sure. As you enter, this is basically the view that you see when you enter the house.
Yeah.
I wanted to give the visitor a feeling of calmness and happiness.
Yeah.
And when you see nature all around you, you feel happy. So every corner of my house has some sort of nature in it. Even my kitchen.
Oh, chala bagundi. You proceed.
Yes, so I have plants everywhere.
చూసారు, ఎక్కడ చూసినా మనకి ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నేచర్ లవర్ అన్నమాట. చాలా బాగుంది.
It just inspires me to do more of kitchen work.
I mean, is that plants any Ayurvedic, any medical values or normal
Yes,
trees?
They basically purify the air. That's a snake plant, that's a Chinese evergreen,
okay,
that's
okay.
a pothos. They basically purify the air in the house.
Wow.
And they basically, what they do is they take in the carbon dioxide and give off oxygen.
Wow. Where you brought these things? You bought here only?
Yes. All brought from Dubai.
ఓకే. సో మనం ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం అయితే తెలుసుకున్నాము. సో మీరు కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఎయిర్ ప్యూరిఫై చేస్తుందంట.
They can see in the video? They can see in the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's recording.
Yeah, I thought it's just recording this.
I'm recording that thing and you and everything. Mariam ji?
Yes.
And this is your kitchen, right?
Yes,
okay.
This is my kitchen. I just have to clean a little.
That's not a problem. So washing machine, that is gas based stove only, right?
Yes.
Okay, refrigerator, everything.
Yes.
So చాలా నీట్ గా ఉంది కదా, చాలా ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా ఉంది. That is exhaust, right?
Yeah, that's the exhaust, that's the kettle, and my
totally
toaster.
cupboards.
Yes.
Good. Sink and everything, storage box, everything is there. Next, let into hall. Then we will explore hall. Yeah. You proceed. I just follow you.
Okay. So this is my bookshelf.
Wow. I think I came to library. లైబ్రరీలోకి వచ్చామని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఎన్ని బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. What all books? Are you still studying?
No, actually I love to read books, mostly on spirituality, and I am a book lover.
Wow.
Or a bookworm. So I like to read biographies of different personalities, and I want to know more about religion, not just a specific religion, but spirituality.
Wow.
I like Buddhism, I like Hinduism, I like to read literature and get to know about more than what is being taught to us. So yeah,
it's a very great thing. Good to hear that one. A mini library is here. Then is it hall? Hall?
Yes, this is the hall.
Okay. Here also మనం చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా చాలా ప్లాంట్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. చాలా బాగుంది. పెద్ద టీవీ సూపర్ ఉంది కదా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్
this is my book reading corner. So when I read any book, I want to feel like I'm near a forest or in a good place, like in place filled with nature. So I have most of the plants over here. so that I can get the feel of being near a waterfall filled with plants.
Mini forest.
Yes.
Chala bagundi.
Yeah, and like I said, I just wanted to feel like I'm surrounded by nature. So I just wanted everything that I like to be filled with, plants and yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm like, I never thought this in my head, I mean, like, I don't know what to say.
Chala bagundi. మీ ఇల్లు అయితే చాలా బాగుంది. Your house is so beautiful.
And I get a lot of visitors to come to my place, especially my siblings, my family. So they have kids, so I always keep chocolates stacked up,
Okay.
small goodies, because I just want them to feel that this is their happy place. So when they come here, they always eat chocolates, and I like it. And as a kid, my passion was playing with bantas. You know what is banta?
Banta.
Yeah, banta means marbles. So as a child, I used to play a lot with marbles.
Oh,
So-
this one. We
Yeah.
call it goli aata.
Yeah. So I have this as well with me.
Okay.
It reminds me of my childhood. So an element that can remind me of my childhood.
So do you know how to play this?
Yes.
Oh. Super.
This is the national truck of Pakistan. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the national truck of Pakistan.
I saw Bajrang Bhaijaan movie.
Yes, exactly.
Lot of trucks.
So I wanted to put in an element of Pakistan, tradition of Pakistan. So I
Oh.
got this here. I'm a big music lover, so I got myself an old radio as well.
Wow.
And now, of
Which
course,
year?
1975 or something.
1975.
Yeah, I remember. But then they
Where did you
changed
get?
it.
You
They
bought
changed-
or someone is-
it was my father's, and he changed it. He put all the new stuff also over here.
Oh, this is additional thing.
Additional thing,
Adding,
yeah. He wanted to improvise.
Okay, USB.
Yeah,
Super.
and these are the cassettes which are no longer available.
Yeah, I saw.
But
I used it many
wanted to,
times.
yeah.
I use the CDs and cassettes.
Yes.
And you know how to play guitar as well.
Yes. This is.
I just want to see
No.
one bit.
Bhavya can do it. I
Aja.
can't. But this is my
Tabla.
music corner.
Tabla we call it tabla something.
Yeah. So we have. I have flutes. I have my drum, and
Oh.
then I have my singing bowls.
నేచర్ లవరే కదా మ్యూజిక్ లవర్ కూడా
Yeah, like-
మరేం గారు.
Yeah. So I just like to.
Okay. Where and in which country they use this one?
This one, it's from India.
India only.
India and Nepal mostly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but and this is the guitar and the drum.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just wanted the whole place to be like a forest. So this is my bedroom.
One more forest.
Yeah, like I said, this corner is for special gifts that I've gotten.
Uh-huh.
So I didn't want to put them somewhere. So this is
Oh.
my gift corner with the
Okay.
plant on top. Yeah.
To keep something, yeah.
This is my traveling buddy.
Acha.
Yeah, his name is Mithu.
Okay.
That's those are small gifts that I've gotten.
Oh, so
And
nice.
this is my workstation where I do most of my editing and my recording for if I need to record.
Okay.
So this is my workstation. This is where I sleep, and like I said, I want to sleep.
Simple and beautiful.
Thank you. This is my wardrobe because the space is very compact and
Yes,
it was small,
yeah.
so I had to very strategically think of how to place things. Yeah, this side is wedding dresses, this side is casual wear.
Okay.
Yeah, and my bags are behind. If you just so all
Oh,
of
many collection.
yeah. A girl without bags is not a girl.
Yeah, that's correct. మరియం ఖాన్ వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు అయితే చూశారు కదా, నాకైతే చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది. సో ఎటు చూసిన చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి, అసలు నాకేదో ప్రకృతిలో ఉన్నట్టు ఒక ఫారెస్ట్లో ఉన్న ఫీలింగ్ కలిగింది. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. సో మీరు కూడా జస్ట్ ఫాలో అవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, అది ఈరోజు వీడియో. సో ఈ వీడియో అందరితో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే మర్చిపోకుండా లైక్ చేయండి. సో ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం నా వీడియో చూసినట్లయితే మర్చిపోకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ సీ యూ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. బాయ్ బాయ్.
ఇలాంటి చాలా ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా దాచాం కుప్పలు కుప్పలుగా.
అయిపోయి